Hello. We are going to go over some stuff here real quick for language arts. This is for Wednesday. Um, Again, hopefully you went through opinions yesterday, got everything figured out that we needed to there. Not everything, because we're going to continue to go through, but hopefully you had some interesting ideas with the would you rathers and interested. I'm interested to find out how you responded to the cake question. Um, had this. I am shooting this on right now. It's Monday night, so I don't know what you answered yet. By the time you watch this, you'll have already answered it. It's like time travel. So one of the things that I wanted to go through is first of all how to get to everything on linking verbs here. So it is in Classroom here. It's posted right here that you for what you have to do Wednesday. So linking verbs, go to the linking verbs slide or go to the verbs slide again. Same as Monday, it was on the very bottom. We're going to go through slides 5 through 7. We're going to discuss linking verbs. Then we're going to use some linking verbs on slides 6 and 7. Write 3 to 5 sentences and shoot me an email with those. Once that's done, we're also going to be doing the word parts. I'll also give you a quick rundown on what we're going to do Thursday. So if we go to the classwork, again, I always highly recommend that. Going all the way down, so where you have the view more, I'd recommend clicking on view more. We're going to go down. If I scroll down some more, we're going to go down to verbs. So here, so this is where we'll click for number 1. So the first thing, we'll go into that in a minute because we're going to talk about linking verbs a little bit. So the next thing you do is go in we'll write sentences off that. So tomorrow, Thursday, what you'll do is go into where it says linking verbs here. This is the quizzes that you'll take. If you have the mobile quizzes, is for the apps, phone, tablet, things like that. Quizzes, web link, that's computer, Chromebook, things like that. Okay, we've done that before many times, so hopefully you should be able to click into that, go right in, take the quiz there. Then you'll come back and go into the quiz or linking slides here. Again, this is Thursday. Once you go in, real quick, just to give you the directions, if it loads, on the second slide, just kind of easy word scramble. What's the word that is made up here? The different types of linking verbs to go through. And then on this one, you are going to tell what the linking verb is in each sentence. 1 through 8, write that in the green box here. And then at the bottom, write 4 Thanksgiving themed sentences using different linking verbs. Have fun, be creative there. Here's just some ideas of linking verbs that you might do. You can go back to the second page. You can also go into use some of the words we're actually going to use here in just a second. But again, that will be on Thursday. This hopefully will be posted for Wednesday. So again, if you go into verbs, linking verbs, the verb thing, I should say. I can talk right here. It's been a long day. So we'll start on slide 5. So the first thing will be to click on here, watch this video that pops up and give you an idea about linking verbs. And you can watch that after we go through here once you go into it. So linking verbs, again, are the link between a noun and then usually an adjective from there. Okay, it's kind of like an equal sign. Okay, so if we were to say something, if I said that ice cream is the best, I'm saying ice cream equals the best. If I say Oreos are the best cookie, I'm saying Oreos are equal the best. Okay, whatever your opinion is, they are the best anyways. Double stuffed though, double stuffed is better than regular Oreos. Since we're talking opinion, that's my opinion. And Oreos and ice cream is like even better when we put them together. Okay, so these are ones that you see often. We've seen the most. Been or am, were, is, are, was, be, being, been. Okay, it's usually doing with a state of being. And we kind of saw that in that verse video on Monday with the action verbs, right? There was the linking verb guy there, and he was the state of being that he was in. Okay, so here are some other ones that you may not think of often, but they are actually linking verbs. So smell, look, appear, seem, taste, sound, feel, remain, stay, continue, and turn. Okay, so you may say, I smell bad. Maybe you don't say that. Maybe I don't. Maybe after working out, you smell. I may say, I smell bad. I shouldn't put that. Oh well, we're living. So I equal bad smell there. Okay. If you say that looks awesome. Okay, you're providing that, whatever the thing is. So maybe it's a real lightsaber in real life, something like that. You're saying that equals awesome. Okay. But so it depends on how you use these words, depending on they can be action verbs, again, depending on the use and how they are being used. Okay, if it's more of that connection, okay, of sorry, lost my thought. Like that looks awesome. That's the connection ones. We're combining or connecting look, that, and then awesome. Again, for the equal sign. Okay, if you say that I look around, that's an action. Okay, so again, it depends on how you are using the term itself. Okay, so a couple ideas here, just a couple sentences here. 4 linking verbs here. See if you know what these are. Honey, where is my super suit? Okay, linking verb is in that sentence. Where is my super suit? Okay. Have you seen the size of these toilets? These toilets are ginormous. Are, these toilets equal ginormous. Are is the linking verb. Okay. I am a nice shark, not a mindless eating machine. Okay. I connects to nice shark. I equals nice shark. Okay. Again, hopefully you should know what that movie's from. But the am in that sentence is the linking verb. Okay. Last one here. Pumbaa, you are a pig. Right. Are connects Pumbaa to pig. You to pig. Pumbaa is the name in there, but the verb or you is the subject there that is being connected to pig. Okay, so those are just a couple ideas, thoughts wise, of action or linking verbs. Hopefully that helps a little bit as you go through. This is your discussion there that it mentions in the directions. Come up with some good sentences as you are looking to write some sentences the next couple of days. Okay, spend some good time on them, think about them. Make sure, again, we're connecting, kind of that equal sign that says, that connects the two words from there, this part in the subject to the part in the predicate that connects the two. Okay, hopefully, again, that helps and makes sense. If you have any questions, please let me know. Peace.